For a great snack, make these Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust Tortilla chips. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Cut 6 8-inch tortilla shells into 8 wedge pieces. Then add 1/2 cup of melted butter to a large container with a lid. Then add the tortilla wedges to the container. Place the lid on firmly and shake vigorously until the tortillas are evenly coated. Then add 1/2 cup of Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust to the tortillas. Place the lid back on and shake well. Separate any tortillas stuck together and reshake to ensure they are all well coated. Line a cookie sheet with parchment paper and top with a cooling rack. Arrange the tortillas on the cooling rack and bake for 6 to 8 minutes. Some of the chips may appear soft, but upon cooling, they will crisp up. Serve with your favorite fall dip or simply by themselves.